Hello viewers, welcome to Indian Flying Academy. Today we will discuss a topic RTRA. RTRA stands for Radio Telephony Restricted. Restricted for some field. That A stands for aeronautical. As we have DGCA, the regulatory body for AME license, CPL license. Likewise, for RTRA, there is a regulatory body WPC, wireless planning and coordination. This WPC regulates all the things regarding the communication in India. Before proceeding, there should be some questions coming to in our mind. That is, what is RTR? First of all, then why it is mandatory for pilots, AMEs, and how to complete it. What is RTR? RTR is a language, and this language is used in aeronautical field for communication. So here this A defines its position. That means RTR is a language which is used in aeronautical field. In short, this RTR is sometimes pronounced as RT in short. And this RT is a aviation language which is made of standard phrasology. And this RT is a discipline towards aviation communication. When I say standard phrasology, that means use of standard words. For example, we don't use word yes in RT language. We use affirmative in RTR language. This affirmative is a standard phrasology for RT language. Likewise, for no, we have a standard phrasology negative. For ignore, we have a standard phrasology disregard. Using these standard phrasologies, the RTR language is made. These are some example of standard phrasology. We have many more. We will discuss those in later chapters. RTR is a discipline towards aviation communication. Why RT is a discipline? The question is why RT is a discipline. When RT discipline is relaxed, that means if we don't use the standard phrasologies, what can go wrong? What can go wrong? What are the effect of it? Let us see. Incident number 1. These two pilots are proceeding towards their destination, and the destination is in a hilly area, and it was night. The air traffic controller instructed them, commanded them to descend 2400, 2400, and the pilot of the aircraft, read back it. Doing read back is a discipline. It indicates that you have heard and understood the message transmitted by the controller. The aircraft pilot is following the discipline by doing the readback, but he has done a wrong readback. The air traffic controller has commanded him to descend 2400 feet, but he has said OK 400. This OK is a non-standard phrasology or non-standard word. You should not use OK. The pilot misheard the descent clearance, descent to 400 above mean sea level, and he commenced descent. As it was a hilly area, he directly hit into a hill and crashed. These photos are taken in daytime. That time when he was descending 400 feet, he got GPWS warning also, but he ignored. Lesson learned. The pilot misheard this as a clearance to descend 400 feet to 400 feet. The pilot readback was non-standard, and ATC did not hear the incorrect readback, and ATC also failed to correct the error. This was the result of using non-standard phrasology in aviation communication. Remember, proper communication is a backbone of safe flying experience. Hope you have understood what is RTR. In further videos, we will cover why it is mandatory for engineers, pilots, and how to complete it. If you like this video, please like, share with your aviator friends, subscribe to Indian Flying Academy. Thank you. Good day.